Good morning, all. Welcome to NCA. In this session, we are going to see with respect to natural vegetation. Is my voice is breaking now? Yes, good morning.
No, ma'am, not now.
Okay, fine. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. So in last class, that is in the previous session, we have seen natural vegetation and wildlife, and along with the types of forest, right? So when there is a change, just wait, yes. So where there is a change in the height, right? When there is a change in the height, the climate changes. With respect, the natural vegetation will also change. What's the types of the vegetation that has been present there? That will also be changed, right? So, and also the growth of this vegetation will be depending on the temperature, right? So will be based on the temperature and the moisture. Based on the temperature, the moisture content will differ, right? Yes. So we have seen these types also, right? So what are the different types of vegetation as well? So forest, this will be the forest, grasslands. So where that we have get the moderate rain, right? So this is how the grassland will be, and shrubs. You can say thorn shrubs, okay? So that will grow in the dry region as well. This is how it will be, okay? And we have seen with the natural vegetation, different types of forest, tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean vegetation, and coniferous forest. In that, we have seen how the snow will be covered also, right? So, and also we have seen what are the different types of forest and what are the plants, what are the trees that has been there, what are the climates that is, what is the climate that has been followed there, how the trees will be, in which region that type of climate is there, right? So what are the fruits, what are the trees, everything we have seen, right? So do you have any doubt till now? In coniferous forest, taiga, that is also known as taiga, okay? The coniferous is also known as taiga. Fine, yes. Have any doubts till now? Have any doubts till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So today we are going to see what are grasslands. So what is a grassland? So which receives a
Moderate rainfall.
yes, that receives a moderate rainfall, right? The grassland will receive a moderate rainfall. So when you take this region that will grow only the grasses of moderate rainfall, right? Moderate rainfall. So when you see these shrubs and all, shrubs will also be considered somewhat like the grasslands. That will be also in the grasslands only. Okay, that will be of what? Thorny shrubs. Thorny shrubs. Thorny shrubs, that will be of what? That will be grow in the dry region. Okay, that will grow in the dry region. Fine. Am I audible?
Okay, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Fine. Yes, fine. So tropical grassland. This is the area how the tropical grasslands will be there. Okay. This is the area where the tropical grasslands will be there. You see how it has been there? Here and there only you can find the trees, right? So here and there. And also see the canopy of the tree is also very large, right? Here and there only you can find the trees. So other than that, you have one, you can be able to find only the grasses, and group of animals will be there. Okay. There will be group of animals as well. And next is temperate grasslands. See here the availability of the trees is very less compared to the tropical grassland. Okay, this comparatively this will be less. Next, thorn bushes, or we can say, just wait. Yes. So here we can able to find two types. Okay, that is one to the near to the polar region and also in the dry region also. Okay, where we can find the very less rainfall. Okay, very less rainfall. Fine. Yes, we'll see one by one. See the thorn bushes. This is also the thorny bushes that has been present in the polar region as well. Okay. Is that clear? Dry, very dry, right? Very dry, right? Is that, am I audible or not, Kanna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you
Ma'am,
should.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first we'll see one by one. Okay. Today we are going to study it very easily. Okay. This is how the tropical grassland is. So this tropical grassland will be either in either side of the equator. So how the earth is, this is how the equator is. So either side of the equator we can find this is how the tropics is. Okay, extend till the tropics, that is the tropic of Cancer and the tropic of Capricorn. Okay, till the tropics, so we can find this tropical grasslands. Okay, so and also the areas of low amount of rainfall. Okay, moderate to low amount of rainfall will be there. So these grasses is there, right? These grasses is there, right? So this will grow up to 3 to 4 meters of height. Okay, 3 to 4 meters of height. So Savannah grassland in Africa is a good example for it. Okay, Savannah grassland. When you take this Discovery Channel and all, they will be considering, they will be showing, mostly they will be showing when there is a cheetah has been chasing something. Okay, and a group of zebras are there, and giraffes, everything, a group of animals will be there, no? So at that time you can see only the mostly they'll be showing with respect to the grasslands only, because they feed on the grasslands. And also when you see this animals distribution also, okay, with respect to animal distribution, you can find these giraffes also giraffes are also there, and elephants will be there. So this will feed on the trees. Okay, they will feed on the trees, whereas when you take these deer, okay, deer, zebras and all, they will feed on the grasses that has been present there. Okay, so the competition for food competition here will be very less. Okay, is that clear what I'm saying? They will be moving from one place to another in groups. Okay, when you take zebras also, they will be deers also. Okay, is that clear what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Fine. Shall we move on to the next one? Is this tropical grassland is clear? So this
Yes.
tropical grassland that we can find in either side of the equator, that is both near to the tropics, up to the tropics, we can see this. And also these areas can grow up to moderate to low amount of rainfall. Okay. Yes. Savannah grasslands is a very good example for this types of grasslands. Okay. Savannah grassland. Where is it? It is in Africa. Fine. Next. Just wait. Next one. Is my slide is changed?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Just wait. Yes. Temperate grasslands. So in temperate grassland, you can find the mid-latitude zones. Okay, you can find in the mid-latitude zones. Latitude zones. Any idea about mid-latitude zones? Any idea about mid-latitude zones?
Ma'am?
Yes. Mid-latitude zones. If it is not known means try to find that and tell me tomorrow. Okay. So and also in the interior part of the continents. So when we can see in the interior part of the continents. Okay. So when you take these step is each and every place we can find in a different name. Okay. So when you take these grasses, they are the short and nutritious one. We can see the bisons. Okay. These are the bisons and the wild buffaloes. These are the wild buffaloes and these are the antelopes. Okay. So these animals are being found in temperate grasslands. Okay. So that is this temperate grasslands are in the mid-latitude zones and that is in the interior part of the continents and also in the interior part of the continents as well. So these grasses are very short and nutritious one. Okay. And the animals that has been present here, just give me a minute. Yes, animals that has been present here are bison, okay, bisons, antelopes, and wild buffaloes. Okay, these animals are also be present there. Fine. So when you take these temperate grasslands, you can see with this temperate grasslands in Argentina, Pampas. Can say that as Pampas. Then in North America, we can it is known as Prairie, okay. And in South America, it has been known as what? Any idea? Any idea how it has been known? Any idea?
What, ma'am?
Yes, in this temperate grassland is there, right?
Yes.
Yes, I told you that each and every place the temperate grassland name is different, right? So in Argentina, you can see, it is known as the name of Pampas, and in North America, it is being known as in the name of Prairie, and in South America, any idea? Welch, okay? And in Australia, how it has been known? Any idea? It is known as Down, okay? So make a note of this one. Is my handwriting is clear or else I want to erase that and write it again?
Ma'am, can you write it again?
Okay, fine. Just let me take a new screen, okay? Yes. So the temperate grasslands, okay? We'll see first tropical grassland. Tropical grassland in East Africa. Africa, it is known as what? Savannah, okay? Okay, next is Brazil, okay? In Brazil, we can say it as campus, okay? And next is Venezuela. In Venezuela, it is known as lands, okay? So that's it. So next is temperate grasslands. Okay, in temperate grasslands, first one is Argentina, okay? It is what? Pampas, okay? Next is, what I said next?
Ma'am,
North America. Very good. North America, it is what?
Parang.
Next is South America. Okay.
Down.
South America, it is Welt. Okay.
Down.
Yes. Australia is down. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Australia is down. And Asia. Central Asia. Central Asia, what it is? Steppe. Okay. It is called steppe. Take down this one. So how the different types of plants, okay, that is the different types of grasslands, they will be called as the grassland only, but in different names based on the region they are called. Okay. So when you take East Africa, it is savanna. Brazil, the same type of has been there, and it is known as campos. It's not CUCA. And when you take a temperate grassland in Argentina, we can say it is pampas. And in North America, we can say it is prairie. And in South America, it is veld. Fine. So next in Australia, it is called down. And in Central Asia, it is called steppe. Okay. Is that clear what I'm saying? The same grasslands only, but it has been called in different names in different regions. Okay. For example, when you go to your natives, or else when you are with your family, how they will call with your nickname, or else what is the name that has been known to them, right? So when you go to school, how they call, it's different, no? So based on that, and also you will also respond to the person to whom you are calling, whom they call, right? So if they call with your name, means that is in school, means you can easily recognize that it's you. So and also in home, if they call in another name, means you can able to say that yes, it's me, and like that you will go and do whatever it is, right? So based on the regions, the names are different, but the person is same, right? So here also the same type grassland only, but it is different names, but it is being known with different names. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Done. Copied. Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Temperate grassland is over. Tree bushes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Can you tell me?
Ma'am, for Venezuela, it is Liano, right?
Lands only. LANOS.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So next is thorny bushes. Okay. So here we can able to find dry desert-like regions and also
Actually, it is,
the
thorn is called thorn or it's thorn.
I didn't get you. You're asking for?
Ma'am, it's thorn or it's thorn.
It is not thorn. Okay. It is thorn bushes. Okay. Thorny bushes.
Thorn.
Yes, thorny bushes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. When you take this dry desert regions,
Thorn, ma'am. That's why I'm asking.
okay, fine. Okay, fine. Sorry for that. Okay. Yes.
No, ma'am, no, not for you, but
I didn't get you, Kanna.
no, ma'am, not for you. My surroundings. They are telling like thorn. That's why.
Okay, fine. Thorn, sometimes when you thorn me, okay, it is why it's been there, right?
Yes,
You can say it's thorn bushes, okay? Thorny bushes.
thorny bushes.
Yes, thorny bushes.
Okay.
So when you take this dry, these will be like dry desert regions and also in polar regions also. We can see. Okay. So these dry desert-like regions that has been found in the tropical deserts. Okay, we can say it is in tropical deserts that is in the western margin of the continents. So when you take the western margin of the continents, means if the North America it is like this and the South America it has been like this, means so you can be saying the western margins only. Okay, you can see with respect to the western margins only. Fine, is that clear what I'm saying? And in Africa as well. Africa, you can also see in the western margins. Wherever it is, you can see with respect to the western margins only. Okay, these are dry desert-like regions. So there is a very less, there will be very less vegetation, and because why? They can get only scanty rain for very less that is why. Okay, and also because of the scorching heat will be there. Fine, is that clear what I'm saying? So when you take this polar regions, we have the limited vegetation. The vegetation will not be that much high. So most of the animals that is being present there, okay, they feed on there won't we can find much herbivorous. Okay, we can see with respect to carnivorous or omnivorous animals. Fine. So what are herbivorous? Herbivorous are plant-eating animals, carnivorous or flesh-eating animals, and omnivorous are both, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, both. So you can see, and all mosses and lichens and very small scrubs will be there. Okay, mosses is nothing but if you can find a rock, so there you can find small trees, no, small plants will be there, no, that has been sticking. You feel like it is sticking on the rock. So that is what the mosses and lichens. That is the first stage of the plant. That was the first stage of the vegetation. And also, if you see this polar regions, that is polar areas, we can find the polar areas in Europe, Asia, and North America only, not in South America or Africa or Australia. Okay, so Europe, Asia, and North America. And also animals like they will be having thick fur, because why they want to have a thick fur and thick skin? In order to survive, protect themselves from the cold climatic conditions. Okay, to protect themselves from the what? What, Kana?
Ma'am, Antarctica.
Yes, very good. Polar regions. That is the near to the poles only. That is also the near to the poles only. Okay. Yes. Next is the animals that is being found here is seal. See here, this is the seal. Okay. Well, walrus is this one is walrus, and muskmelon is this one is the musk oxen. Musk oxen. Next is Arctic owl. This is the Arctic owl, and polar bear. You know the polar bear, right? And also this is the snow fox. Very cute, right? Snow fox. It's like a small pet, right? That is a small pet, right? This bird you can see in the Harry Potter as well. You people have seen Harry Potter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can see this bird, right?
Yes,
Harry
ma'am.
Potter and also. Yes, fine. So that's it about this vegetation, natural vegetation and wildlife. If you have any doubt, let me know.
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt.
Ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So not tomorrow. On Wednesday, you will be having a small test with respect to these topics. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
On Wednesday, you will be having. Just wait. Why it is like that, I don't know. Wait. Yes, fine. So give me a minute. I just changed. Okay. Yes, one more point I left to say you. One more point is there. I forgot to tell you that. Wait. So this polar region is there, right? This polar region. The vegetation along with the mosses and everything is there, right? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If people can able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this region is also known as tundra. Okay. This region is also known as tundra vegetation. Okay. This vegetation is also known as tundra vegetation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So this polar regions that is having an extremely cold condition, and also the vegetation is limited. Only we can see the mosses, lichens, and various small shrubs. Okay. That is called as tundra vegetation. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So is Kirtana, are you there, Kanna?
Ma'am.
Yes, are you there? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can stop the live. You can